Hey guys, welcome to a new video where we're going to show you how you can create downsell and upsell pages really easily. This allows you to increase your order revenue and provide more value towards your customers at the same time. Now, instead of me trying to create a downsell or an upsell page myself, I'm just going to use a template for this. So we can just go towards a funnel. Let's go and say we're going to create a new funnel and let's select the template, right? So let's do something with a Black Friday, which is coming up really soon. So let's say select this template and press next. Now we need to include the pages that we want to use. As you can see, by default, we have a sell product and an include upsell. And if we hover over it, then you will see that an upsell basically is an offer to upgrade or enhancement of the current product, right? And you can also include a downsell. So offer a less expensive product when a customer is hesitant to make a purchase. So in that case, you basically are recovering your cart abandonment. And that way you can still process the order, but with a less expensive variant. So let's include this one as well. There we go. And let's say next. We are going with the default currency. So let's go with Black Friday and let's say open the funnel. There we go. And now the pages will be created in just a few seconds. And from here, you will have a good overview of how upsells and downsells are working. So if we're going to take a look at the funnel, we have a product page, as you can see here. And we also have a product page quick. Then we have a checkout page, right? So at the moment that the user says, okay, I want to confirm my order, we can go with an upsell page, as you can see here. You can say, okay, I want to add it towards my order. And if a user says, no thanks, maybe the upsell is a little bit too expensive and the user does not see the value in that, at that particular moment, we can go with a downsell. So that means that you are still going to upsell a product, but with a less expensive variant. And last but not least, of course, if everything has been added towards the order, we will go towards the thank you page. So let's select the products, let's save this. And now we're going to go ahead and go with a preview. So inside the preview, we're just having some sample products, right? And that's going to be loaded in. Let's just go with the live end. And then you will see that we have a Black Friday sale. Then we have the specific product in place. And let's say, okay, I'm going to buy now. From here, you'll see we have a limited offer, a countdown timer that is going to take effect in about 5 hours from now. And let's say we're going with a full name, going with a phone number, and we're also going with an email address, right? So let's say something like this. Then we also have an address. So let's go with somewhere Avenue 123, city, and let's go with a province, and let's go with some random postal code, zip code. Then we have the checkout, as you can see here. We have different kinds of options. Let's just go with cash on delivery. That will suffice for this demo. And then you will see a total offer here. So we have $290.80. Let's say confirm my order. And now we will go towards an upsell. So before you finish, here's a special offer just for you. Get 50% discount of this unique and new product. And now we have this upsell, as you can see here. Children's toys for kids. There we go. Now we can say yes to add it towards the current order, or we can say no thanks, which will go towards the downsell page. So if we say no thanks, it should go towards a downsell page, as you can see here. Before you finish, here's a special offer just for you. And now we have a totally different kind of offer that we can basically give the customer. As you can see, it's not really a downsell in this case because we just use random products, but I think you get the idea of how this specifically works, right? So this is a fantastic way to deliver upsells and downsells. And the great thing is, if we go back, you can do multiple upsells and multiple downsells as well. You can just say, okay, if a user goes with an upsell, I still want to go with another upsell page to see if I can get another upsell done, right? You can just select the product. If you know it by heart, then you can just type it in. So let's just go for this one. Well, actually, let's go for something else. Let's go for this one. And then we could say, okay, then let's go for another upsell, right? And if they say no thanks, and they're also going to say no thanks here, you could then go for a downsell page instead, right? So it will be generated for you on the spot. As you can see here, you can select your product. Let's go with a product, something like this one. And you can make this as many upsells and many downsells as you like to. Of course, do not make it too long because otherwise you have the chance that the customer will just abandon the checkout process entirely. But this is a fantastic way for you to sell more of your products or your services, right? So do try it out, give it a go. If you have any issues, do let the team know and they will get back to you as soon as possible. And for now, have a great day, take care, and we'll talk to you really soon.